Hello everybody, Truman 5000 here. Got another little first impression overview for you. And by the title of the video, you know it is about the Exiled Cutlery Kickass Titanium Balisong, which is in this little container right here. And let's go ahead and open it up. Comes in this somewhat bulky sheath here. Let's see, buckle, blah blah, and there she is. Let me get that thing out the way, just out the way. Okay, here we go. Here she is. Now, when I got her, I did have to do a little file work in order to, get it to a good tension so that I wasn't really working it too hard, alright, and it definitely works as intended. Of course, we have a spring latch here, alright. Now, you got a good look, okay. Okay, spring mechanism is in there. As usual, light's wrong, but oh well. There you go. Good look at her. Full titanium handles. Alright. I have the 5-inch model. And let me put her down there and read out some specs for you. It is available as a kit, and there is no price advantage in buying the kit over the assembled knife. They are both $1.95. We have 5-inch titanium handles, double tang pins, and you have a bushing pivot system. I'm going to explain it this way. They both screw in to each other, and they come to a point and they stop. They are locked down. There is just enough space for the washer and just enough space so that your handles have a little bit of a free float, and they're just about foolproof. Alright, they are really, really nice. I like the pivots on these knives. Really, really nice. Let me digress a little bit and give you a little bit of a tightness thing. There you go. There you go. Not bad. And you'll always be at that level with this type of a pivot system. I really like it. She is a sandwich construction, and there is hex head hardware. Good old Allen wrench hardware on every attachment point here. She has a very healthy spring latch. Comes with a nylon sheath, built and designed in Denver, Colorado. The blade is 3 3/4 inches. It's 7/64 thick, and it is Aichi 8, which translates to Aus 8 steel. Overall length is 8 3/4 inches. Closed length is 5 1/4. And guys, the 5-inch model comes in at 4 ounces. The 5.375 inch length one comes in at 4.2 ounces. Alright, 4.2 for the long one, 4.0 for the 5-incher you see before you. Now, as far as the files go, I bought these for about $5 at True Hardware in their bargain bin. They've been laying around here for about 6 months. When I got him in, I had a use for him. Took me about 5 minutes to get it where I want it. Alright? Took me about 5 minutes to get it where I want it, and that's where I want it. She looks great. Nice little pop, boom, and she's out. Boom, boom, bam. Here we go with the blade out. Alright. It's got Kickass titanium on the blade with the pirate logo. On the back, we have made in Colorado, the steel, and it's even got a serial number on it. I think that's pretty cool. She flips very well. Alright. I like it. I like it. Nice and light. And because it's light, you know, I have to speed up a little bit of my routine or the opening in order to make things work right, but that's only understandable since it doesn't have the weight and the force of your heavier balis, you know, the ones down on the table there. You know, all these are 5 inches. All of them weigh at least 1.5 ounces more than this one. All right. I don't know what else can be more said. You know, my man Apocalypse Now and Then has the longer handled version, and once he got through with his little file work, he likes his too. All right, I have one. I like it. Now, in the realm of Balisongs, this baby is probably the least expensive solid handled Balisong out there. All right. The next one I think in price is the Microtech Tachyon, coming in anywhere from $280 to $290, and you have your Alpha Beast, which is somewhere around $380, I'm thinking. So in that realm, we have the least expensive solid handled Balisong out there. And I'm really surprised I don't see more reviews on it. Alright, these are pretty nice. Yeah, not very fancy, very plain hardware, but like my brass here, I'm sure it's going to be a workhorse. Alright, I've had this for about 4 days now. Everything's tight. And y'all know me, unless it's a complete emergency, I never take my balis apart. Alright, I've loosened and tightened the pivots just to make sure they return to a certain point, and they do each and every time. Alright, this baby works great. Not a whole lot of noise that you can hear, not a whole lot of flapping around. Alright, you know, it's a nice little bali. Like I said, a little bit plain. As you can see, the family resemblance here. All the hardware is common, but you got titanium handles. And when you add the price of the titanium handles to a regular kit, you come out maybe $4 more than what this costs. So, you know, it's definitely priced right. You know, the next premium Balisong up the price scale is your Morpho that has titanium liners with G10 over. So, solid handles for $195, y'all. Alright? I know guys with more expensive balis, and your more expensive titanium ones probably aren't going to gravitate toward this. But for guys without, for guys with regular collections like me, this is a pretty good step up, because you get to know the feeling of a lighter quality Balisong. Alright? I have rambled on damn near 10 minutes. I'm going to let you guys go. I like it. For guys like me with a bunch of cheapos, I definitely recommend it. Hell, I recommend it to anybody because they're cool. You know? Cool, man. Mirror polish. You know? Very nice. Very nice. Alright. I have gone on way too long. I'm going to catch you guys later. I hope you like it. And I will give you a report in a few weeks to a month if you want me to. But it should probably be just as durable as the old brass head over here. Alright? Torment 5000 is out. You guys have a great day. Kickass Balisong, titanium handles.